Are you ready to take your fitness game to the next level? If you think a simple push-up is just for your chest and arms, think again. Today's video will show you how push-ups, one of the most effective bodyweight exercises, can target your entire body and help you build strength, power, and muscle in areas you never thought possible. But here's the catch: doing the same standard push-up day after day won't give you the full benefits. You need to diversify your routine with different variations that will challenge your muscles in unique ways. Keep watching to discover the best push-up variations for full body strength that will transform your body and help you reach your fitness goals faster than you ever imagined. Push-ups are the cornerstone of bodyweight training. From beginners to seasoned athletes, they've been a go-to exercise for building upper body strength and endurance. However, sticking to one type of push-up won't give you the best results. To truly maximize your potential and see real changes, you need to add variety to your workout routine. That's where different push-up variations come into play. These variations target various muscle groups across your body, improving not only your strength but also your endurance, flexibility, and power. First up, let's talk about the traditional push-up. This classic move works your chest, shoulders, and triceps, and while it's effective, it's only the beginning. If you're looking to challenge yourself and see greater results, you need to step it up. Enter wide arm push-ups. With your hands placed further apart than in the standard push-up, you'll target your chest more intensely while still engaging your arms and shoulders. This variation helps you build upper body strength and is perfect for anyone looking to increase the size and definition of their chest muscles. Next, let's take things to the decline push-up. By placing your feet on an elevated surface, you shift more of your body weight towards your upper chest and shoulders, giving them a powerful workout. Not only does this variation focus on your upper chest and shoulders, but it also engages your core and even your legs to help stabilize your body. If you're looking for a full body challenge, the decline push-up is the perfect move to incorporate into your workout routine. But we're not done yet. If you're looking to increase the intensity and really target your core, we've got you covered with the plank push-up. Unlike regular push-ups, this variation forces you to maintain a tight plank position throughout the movement, which means your core will be constantly engaged. This makes it an excellent move for building core strength and stability while still targeting your chest, shoulders, and arms. It's a fantastic way to improve both your core and upper body strength in one go. Now, if you're looking for a true test of explosive strength and power, we recommend clap push-ups. This move requires you to push off the ground with enough force to clap your hands together before landing. Not only does this build upper body strength, but it also improves your power, explosiveness, and coordination. Clap push-ups are a great way to challenge yourself and take your push-up routine to the next level. Plus, they're a lot of fun and will keep you motivated as you strive to perfect your form. For those who want to target their triceps more specifically, diamond push-ups are the way to go. By bringing your hands closer together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers, you put more emphasis on your triceps. This variation is perfect for those looking to sculpt their arms and increase overall arm strength. Not only will diamond push-ups give your triceps a serious workout, but they will also engage your chest and shoulders, making them a well-rounded move for upper body development. One more powerful variation to consider is the spider push-up. This one is a bit more advanced and combines the push-up movement with a knee drive towards your elbow, which targets your chest, core, and hip flexors. It's a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups and requires balance and coordination. Spider push-ups are perfect for those who are ready to take on a more challenging variation and push their strength limits further. With these push-up variations, you can build full-body strength by targeting your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even legs. The beauty of push-ups is that they can be modified for any fitness level, whether you're just starting out or looking to challenge yourself with advanced variations. Incorporating these different push-up variations into your workout routine will not only help you build muscle and strength, but it will also keep your workouts exciting and diverse, preventing your body from hitting a plateau. So, if you're ready to build muscle, improve your strength, and take your body to new heights, make sure to add these push-up variations into your routine. And if you want to continue receiving expert fitness tips and training advice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be sharing more exciting workouts, exercises, and tips to help you achieve your fitness goals faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive into these push-up variations and start transforming your body today.